My friends, in my 200 3D CAD problems, today I want to work on exercise 53. 53 seems pretty obvious, but I want to take a different route and see if that is more effective compared to the most easiest way that anybody can think of. So I will be doing 53 in two different ways. First of all, I want to do it pretty basic way where I take these as a slot and that as a half slot and work from there. So let me put this one at the center of the slot, the approximate center of the slot. Alright, and I will start with my sketch on XY plane from the top and build a slot. So this is radius 25 and this is length 90, and these two would be symmetric. That is over constraining, so I'd rather make these two symmetric. And then I'll take care of this hole, right? Cool. These two will be radius 12.5. And I can build that up by 10, but I want to make that symmetric, so that way the axis cross is halfway of the object. And then on top of it, I want to build another sketch from right, from YZ direction, right? YZ. It can be on the center, it's okay. From here, it will be, the sketch will be another half slot. So this is going to be another half slot. Let me take this as a reference, and I want to delete this pair part, make this the same. I want to make that vertical. I want to make these two the horizontal plane. I want to make that vertical. And I think that's kind of, that radius is already fixed with this point. All I have to do is take these 2 points and make the determination. So the total length was 90, so it is going to be 45, right? Yes, it's going to be 45. And then finally, before I forget, I want to close this sketch down just like that and make a hole in the middle of radius 12.5. Pretty cool. Now I can go ahead and extrude that for 10 symmetric. There. So that is my object. So if you are in a rush, I mean, that's a pretty quick way to build this object. Pretty done. I want to explore different idea that I've been thinking. To build the same object might take a minute long, but it will be long. It will be easier to manipulate later on. So I am going to open a new file and then start sketching on XY plane. So I want to sketch only that second sketch that I did for that previous trial. I want to do a half plot and take these two, put them on this line and close this sketch. Make the hole. So that's my only sketch that I want to build. This will be radius 25. These two obviously will be horizontal, and this would be 45 was it? I guess so. I can see it from here. The total length is 90, so half of them it would be 45. Yes. So that's the only sketch. I'm gonna say sketch. Only sketch. Oh, that's the only sketch that I want to build, because and then that way I can use this one to build the whole object. I want to make it a 10 symmetric by the plane, and that's my unit. I cannot use lattice to array this one. Maybe I can, but it will be too complex. I can actually go in, I can take this object, make two clones, and then transform them to my desired place. And there, that's my object. Pretty close. Only one sketch and then two clones and make them one body. Maybe I want to define them. Alright, so that was pretty close. That was pretty, the time wise, I don't think it took too much time, but the time was not something that I was looking mostly. I was thinking about what if I wanted to do something else with this sketch. Say I wanted to make this hole maybe a rectangle, right? What if I wanted to do that? Right? Well, that was easy. I just update one sketch, the whole thing changes. I can do dimension change, but dimension change I could do it from spreadsheet, so that's not the main thing of this object. I could change the sketch and have fun at it a later time. It will still be reflected on the main body. So I think having these clones manipulated to build the object actually is a better idea than building the whole object from sketches like this that I did to begin with. This method is obviously inferior to this method. I hope you liked this process. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.